Hello Tensorians! Another exciting feature has been added to TensorArt today. Now, when you visit the official TensorArt website, you can experience the brand new real-time text-to-art feature. Simply input the scenes you want to generate in the text box, and TensorArt will dynamically create images based on your entered text. In this video, we'll explore the fun aspects of this new real-time text-to-art feature. Let's dive in! 1. First, open the official TensorArt website and navigate to Real-Time Generate at the top of the web page, or hover over the third option under Create to access the real-time text-to-art page. 2. In the input bar, describe the scene you want to generate. As you type, the system will instantly generate an image based on your input. You can continually add details to refine the generated image to better match your expectations. 3. At the top left of the page, you can switch between the basic models for image generation. 4. At the top center of the page, you can adjust the size of the generated images. 5. You can click on icons or right-click to save the generated images. These are the complete steps for utilizing the real-time text-to-art feature. Soon, we will also organize events centered around the real-time text-to-art functionality, so stay tuned and actively participate. In the future, we will share more useful tutorials. If you encounter any issues or have feedback during use, feel free to join our official Discord community and contact us. You can share your points here. That's all of today's sharing. If you enjoyed our content, please subscribe to our channel. We'll regularly share useful tips and exquisite models on our channel. Thanks for your watching.